Perform this installation on a clean level surface with the engine turned off. Place blocks in front of and behind both rear wheels to prevent movement of the truck. Slide down the bottom cover by removing the 2 screws on each side. Pry off the Gearshift knob's cover to reveal the screws inside. Remove the 2 Phillips or Torx head screws that hold the Gearshift knob to the valve assembly. Remove the Gearshift knob. The splitter button comes off with the knob too. Be sure to keep track of the splitter valve seal, springs, and detent ball. Label and remove the air lines connected to the valve assembly. If the system has air pressure, carefully bleed first. Unscrew the valve assembly off the shifter rod by first loosening the jam nut. Remove the old bottom cover and replace it with the new bottom cover, slipping it over the shift lever and air lines. Tightly screw on the new shifter extension. Use of Loctite is recommended. Screw the valve assembly onto the extension and position the range lever forward and tighten the jam nut. Note, when using shift rod extensions, the air lines may need to be extended. Be sure the splitter valve seal, springs, and detent ball are reinstalled correctly. Put the new knob and the new splitter button on the valve assembly with the 2 long screws. Reattach air lines to the valve assembly. Slide up the new bottom cover and mount it with the 2 Phillips head screws on the side. Check for air leaks and that all shifter functions are working correctly.